Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make that famous Haitian Griot. So to get started, you're going to need the meat. I'm using pork shoulders that I went ahead and cleaned and cut up. I use lime to clean it and hot water to rinse it. And you're going to be needing 1 Maggie cube. This is optional, you don't have to have it if you don't eat Maggie. And 1 packet of sazon, 1 tomato, and I have 2 tablespoons and a half of my Haitian spice. I do have a video up on this channel showing you guys exactly how I make that. Check that description box so you guys can get the link. 1 jalapeno poke with cloves, and some parsley tied with some thyme. And I have some pieces of habanero pepper because I'm going to make it nice and spicy. You're going to be needing a couple teaspoons of either sour orange juice or bitter orange juice, or just lime. And you need some oil to fry your griot, and of course some salt and pepper to taste. Please check that description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, to start, so you want to go ahead and turn your stove on to medium high and go ahead and put in that epis. Of course, you guys can already tell I'm in a different kitchen. I'm actually using my friend's kitchen because you guys know my husband don't eat pork, so I try not to make this at the house. But you know, I always give you guys what you want, so a lot of you been really messaging me over the last couple months asking me for that video, so I had to deliver. So again, all I added is that epis so far and mix it in, and to that I'm going to go ahead and put that Maggie in, just like that, and that packet of sazon as well. That sazon give it a nice color, and we are going to mix everything. You guys can see that already. And now you want to go in with that sour orange. You want to make sure the acid as Haitians say is on point when it comes to making griot, okay? So I'd say a good 3 teaspoons of lime juice. All right, and now we want to go ahead and put in that tomato. Just put the seeds and everything in there, just like that. And of course I already washed my peppers, and then that habanero pepper, I'm going to put that in there. Okay, sprinkle a little bit of salt, and I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 cup of water to this and let it cook for a good 40 to 45 minutes before we start frying it. Alright guys, the meat is all done cooking, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, I left some of the skin on some of them, but again, it is already cooked, and I went ahead and removed it from the pot. And I have a pan with some hot oil. Now you want to go ahead and carefully place your meat in that oil, and we are going to fry it until it turns to a golden brown color. Please be careful, because with the skin that will definitely pop, so be careful. Make sure you guys don't burn yourself. Again, just fry it until it's a nice golden brown color. Alright guys, the griot is done, and this is what it's looking like. Of course, you guys know I use that same method to do my tasso, which is the fried beef. So if you guys want to check out that video, you can definitely do that as well. But this of course tastes really nice if you have some pickles, and we are going to eat it with some fried plantain and some sweet potatoes, and of course some rice and whatnot. But please don't forget to check out my Instagram page, guys. And also check out my Facebook page, my Twitter, and come snap with me on Snapchat. But this will do it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like the video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like griot or if you tried griot before. And if you don't, let me know if you prefer beef or fried chicken or anything like that. But other than that, please don't forget to share the video with everybody you know. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.